Hey guys, welcome to another video with a very important update regarding the LayerEdge airdrop. The TG is very close for this airdrop and there's an important task you need to complete. You'll need to run or mint a CLI node. It's not entirely clear if this is mandatory, but for a higher allocation, doing this might increase your chances of better returns. So if you haven't already do it, in this video I'll show you how to do it. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, and you can join our Telegram channel. You can also visit our blog where we publish the latest articles about crypto. All the links are in the description, so check them out. Now for CLI running node, you can use this website. I'll provide the link in the description. First, you need to connect your wallet. You can select any wallet here, but make sure it has around $5 worth of crypto. For this example, I'll select Phantom wallet. Then choose Solana and click connect. Next, you'll need to enter your name and email. Click continue, then confirm. Now as you can see, we are successfully logged in. As you can see, there are lots of options here. Look for LayerEdge and click deploy. You will notice it charges around $5 for the mining. Click buy now. Oh, looks like there's a payment error. Let me fix. I need to select Solana. Now select pay, then confirm. And done. Our purchase is complete. Next, go to active node section. As you can see, our node is running. Simply click this icon. Here is the public key. Copy this code. Then go back to LayerEdge dashboard. In the CLI node section, click the plus icon. Paste the public key here and click link your wallet. Confirm it. Now you will see a green dot. That means we have successfully minted our CLI node and it's running. Now head to the task section. Find the verify CLI client. Click verify. Click confirm. As you can see, it's complete. That's it. I hope you understood everything. If not, feel free to ask in the comment section, or you can join our Telegram channel for more help. That's all for now. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.